So one of the most silly things that I hear in YouTube is people saying, "Hey, you shouldn't worry about the comments," and I disagree. You should worry about the comments. You should have a comment section that your subscribers could be part of it, your community could be part of it, good conversations are taking place. And unfortunately, sometimes people are coming there and sharing links that you don't want. Those links may not represent your character, or those links may be, to places that are really not that good. Again, you want to block that stuff. And by the way, YouTube wants you to stay in YouTube. YouTube doesn't want people to go to other places. So I think overall it will affect the channels. You do definitely want to control those links. A lot of people put links in order to make money as well. So again, it's an issue, and YouTube actually gives you a way to deal with that. Welcome to the channel. Appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell down below, and definitely share any comments that you may have down in the comments section. Okay, so here we are in the content creator tools channel in the back end right here, and we're gonna go all the way to the left, and we're gonna go down to settings. So once you click settings, you're gonna have a lot of defaults here. I definitely recommend you to look into this because there's a lot of different things. Like for example, upload defaults. That's definitely very good to have. Permission, community, content demographic, general, some of the things that you may have there on the channel as well. But from here, it's going to be very, very simple. You're going to go to community, and once you click on community, this will be like, moderators and things like that. People you trust, you could put them in there. Approved user, people that could put comments with no issues. Some guys are starting to create drama and things like that. You could put them hide users as well. And again, as you get starting to get comments and things like that, you could right click on those names and start, kind of building a bunch of friends that could help you manage the channel, kind of getting rid of some of the guys that are making trouble, right? But if you go all the way down right here, it's going to say block links. And all you have to do is click right there. You check mark that, click save, and that's about it. So very simple, guys. I just show you how to block links. I think it's a fantastic way because I tell you what, some of the stuff that is being shared there, it could bring some problems, right? So let me know what you think. Put comments down below. I'll see you in the next one.